Kira's playful determination shines as she races across neon rooftops. Hold on to your feathers, Mika. This cake's not going to—
Hand over the cake, Kira. It's snack time.
Not a chance, Otto. Find your own dessert. This is getting way too dangerous. Hang tight, Mika. I've got this.
Mika's clumsiness turns the tide, helping Kira land safely.
Well played, Kira. You win this round.
Next time, Otto, try asking nicely.
Thanks for sticking with me, Mika. Let's dig in. I wouldn't miss it for the world.